Anonymous is an idea, a great idea. But because it is an idea, because anyone can join, there are several problems, one of which is fake anons. How can there be a fake anon? If anonymous is an idea and anyone can join, how is there a fake anon? Many ask this question. As I said, we are an idea. Idea defines as the aim or purpose. So to tell if an anon is fake or not, he has to have our aim and our purpose, both of which are dictated by a simple criterion: utilitarianism. Utilitarianism means to do the most good for the most people. Simply put, if your aim and purpose are not for the good of humanity, you are not of anonymous, and you are indeed a fake anon or a fanboy. This also tells you who are not anonymous how to be anonymous. Also, because we are an idea and have no true head, we are mocked a lot. The gaming community mainly mocks us and spreads the wrong message of who we are. They use our name and mask in negative ways that makes us look like no good hackers that hack just for the hell of it. But again, this only matters to those that do not know anonymous. But to my main point, when we refer to the people who are not awake, we just talk about them as if they don't know. Many do not want to know. I personally wasn't aware how big that problem was until I talked to someone who literally deliberately changed the subject or would ignore it. I showed them pictures of murdered, no slaughtered children in Palestine, and they acted as if that was nothing. But then looked up and cheered as a score was made in basketball. You see, they do know. They just don't care. Lads, our job got a little harder. I no longer believe it is as simple as showing the masses. We need to explain why it matters. We need to wake them up in a whole new way. Waking them up no longer only consists of showing them information. We need to make it personal and show why they should care. We need to show them our valuable, vigorous, vengeful vitality of our vendetta. Show them the continuity behind our masks. Show them that a world with more empty houses than homeless people is wrong. I believe that once a world gets to a point where people get mad at you for speaking the truth rather than being mad at the people who lied to them, there needs to be change. I believe the problem with the world is that the great people are full of doubt and the naive are full of confidence. Then there needs to be change. I believe when thousands cry for singular people in Paris but millions cry for help in Syria and no one cares, there needs to be change. Everyone change is needed when children can die in the streets, while other children kill their own siblings over apps. Something needs to change. Lads, we already know this, but the people out there don't want to hear it, so we must blast the cries of millions to them and show them all of humanity matters. Every starving family, every burned, shot, cursed Islamic child matters. We must awake the masses and stand as one humanity. But first we need unity in our own family. Stop the dramatic bullshit, get over your own egos and fight the goddamn fight. Brothers, sisters, remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot, government corruption should never be forgot. We are one, we are legion, we are anonymous. We do not forgive, we do not forget. Expect us.